What's going on, everybody? Old school Rockford Fosgate here. This item is probably not going to be considered old school. I think this is from 2009. So I figured I'd share it with you guys anyways. Open this up here. Saw this on eBay for... What the heck's going on here? Saw this on eBay for 50 bucks. And I noticed that a lot of the completed items had them selling for more than that. So I figured, you know what? I'll take a chance and buy it, although I will probably never use it. So what we have here is a Rockford Fosgate 360 line driver, which I believe, I'm trying to remember what the model number is. I think it's DBL or something like that. I don't remember the exact. But basically what this does is you run your RCAs in, which is going to be your input here. And then you have your power plug, which, ouch, that hurt. Let me grab the plug since I dropped it on the floor here. Look at that. Just like bruised underneath my fingernail, ripping that thing out of there. So anyway, so power plug is just your small generic base power plug. Power and ground to it. Plug it in. So your remote configure, I believe, I'm trying to remember now. I thought, well, I don't know. I'll have to look this up. I should probably bring this up a little bit closer so you guys can see it too. Anyway, I'll have to look this up. But your input's in, high-level input, which I don't know really of anybody that uses high-level inputs anymore. And that hurts. Oh, it's bleeding underneath there too. So your gain control to turn it up and down. From what I understood, depending on what inputs or RCAs you're using, you're supposed to adjust this. The gain will adjust it to 3.5 or 5 volt. It's in the owner's manual as to what it says on how to end up running this. I believe balanced, which is going to be on this side. A balanced input, I think it's supposed to be 5 volt, and unbalanced is 2.5. I'm not 100% sure. So real quick overview, not very big. This is if you're running multiple amplifiers, or if you're going to be running like a longer distance, then you can mount this up by your radio and then run your RCAs out and go that route. So this is only a line driver for one amplifier primarily. So it's going to take your audio signal and run to multiple like sub amps. So it's not going to be set up to run, you know, like a 4-channel amp or anything like that necessarily. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them down below. Have a good one. Alright, so here's a little bonus clip of it working in action. CD player, go ahead and turn this up. So the highest this goes is up to 63. You can see it's clipping. Backed it down to 54. So there's a whole bunch of stuff you're supposed to do to set it up, but a little snippet of it working.